Hey, what's going on, MeyHAM Squad? Welcome back to another video. Me and Mish here. Finally, guys, the time has arrived. Finally, the time has arrived. We're finally getting to do the taste test of the chicken sandwich. I'm a big Chick-fil-A fan. Misha is not a Chick-fil-A fan. So this will be interesting, what she thinks of this one. We tried to do it last time, man, and everywhere we went down here in Florida, sold out of chicken sandwiches. Like, we never got them. And the one time we went to check, like, the line was like crazy long. Like, I think even today, man.
We got there before they opened.
And we sat in the drive-thru, and they never opened the drive-thru.
Ridiculous.
We just sat there. And then once we got into the line, I mean, we were in line for, what, half hour, 45 minutes maybe? So we've been waiting for like the last 45 minutes for these chicken sandwiches, man. But it's cool. It's cool. We finally got to get them. So we both got a regular one, and then we're going to split a spicy one and see how this thing tastes, man. So we're pretty excited to finally be able to do this.
This is going to be like chicken sandwich roulette because we have no idea.
Guys, like, this is how bad this Popeyes is. Like, it is probably the worst Popeyes now. So
I want to say I think it's
well, we can check for the sauce. The sauce is different.
Is it?
Yeah. I think one of the sauces are white, and the other one's like a spicy looking sauce. Yeah.
Because there's an orange.
Yeah.
I think it's this one.
So, and then the other one's got like a
regular.
I don't know.
Oh, see, that one's got like a spicy. I think they all have sauce
on them. Man, we got all spices and whatever. I don't know, man. But they don't mark it, so we don't even know what we're getting, man. So, I don't know. One thing I do know is that they have really good fries. We love Popeyes fries. Anyway, we got the worst Popeyes out here. Anyway, without further ado, we're gonna get into it. We're gonna taste out these chicken sandwiches, see what we get here. I'm excited, man. I'm so excited. I do like Popeyes food. I just wish that our Popeyes here had better customer service.
Yeah.
So we're supposed to split a spicy.
Yeah, I'm trying to taste the chicken to see if maybe it's hot or spicy. You know what I mean?
This looks like, I mean, is it the color or is it just the sauce? Here's the sauce.
The chicken itself should be spicy.
I don't know. To me, that tastes a little spicy, man. Try that sauce. She's trying the sauce.
Yeah, maybe. The sauce is a little tangy.
Yeah, a little spicy, right?
But I think that the chicken is supposed to be spicy.
No, I mean, I think it's just the sauce, right? I don't know.
No, because you can get regular mild chicken. The sauce is spicy. Doesn't matter. I think that's gonna be.
When you get spicy sauce?
Yeah.
Like, that's spicy sauce too.
Yep. So they all might be.
Spicy chicken sandwiches. We might have all got spicy.
Yep.
No regular chicken.
All right. Ooh, that is spicy.
It is spicy, right? Oh man. Okay. All right.
All right.
So I think we got all spicy chicken sandwiches, yo. They knew I don't like spicy food, man, so they gave us all spicy chicken sandwiches. So
screwed us over.
Yeah. They have to get
Typical.
us. Yeah, it's time to fry. Let's pause for the fry.
All right.
All right, man. So let's try this thing.
All right, bro. Cheers it.
Cheers.
That's good.
That's so good. All right, guys. This is good.
Very good.
This is really good. It's not spicy.
I think they could have done a better job at seasoning the chicken.
You can talk about it.
I think they could have done a better job at seasoning the chicken.
Yeah, there's not much seasoning on the chicken.
The chicken itself is.
But the breading is really good.
Yes.
The flavor of the bread, the butter on the bread, like, it's really good.
Yeah.
Got it. Yeah, this is hitting. This is hitting.
This is good.
Like, Chick-fil-A is usually good. This is like.
This is better than Chick-fil-A. I don't like Chick-fil-A.
No, you don't.
So I can't.
I think this is really good.
It is.
I don't know if it's worth the 45-minute wait. Like, when stuff calms down a little bit up there, it is way worth eating every day, man. Every day. Every day eats.
Every day?
Every day. I'll go every day.
Oh.
Good, good.
He's a chicken fanatic.
Who, me?
You're a chicken
Oh, I love chicken.
sandwich fanatic.
Oh, I got a roast so that's spicy.
Yeah, my last one in the middle was pretty spicy too. Oh man, I don't like pickles though. Yeah, really.
Give me your pickles.
Yeah, really healthy pickles in here too.
I do.
There you go.
Thank you.
Mm. God, this is good, man. If you haven't had one, you guys really need to go and get
This one is supposed to be the spicy one. It's got like pepper.
I don't know.
I don't know. Shit, that pickle was spicy.
Hmm?
That pickle was spicy.
It got the sauce on it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's got the sauce. Yo. Alright guys, so my review
It's good.
is hitting. It is really good, man. It's not dry. Very juicy chicken. Where Chick-fil-A, you do get some dry chicken sometimes, and it's like, I have to drink with this. This one I have to drink because I'm not sure if it's like really a spicy one or not, but it's like kind of spicy, man. If this is a spicy one, it's a good spicy.
Yeah.
It's a good spicy. Like me and Mish were thinking about doing a video of like going to all the fast food restaurants and getting a spicy chicken sandwich and seeing how everybody's spicy chicken sandwiches are. Right now, they got a lot to deliver.
Yeah.
Popeyes spicy chicken is woo.
I don't know. I heard Wendy's spicy chicken sandwiches
Good
is
too?
to be reckoned with.
I don't know. I hope it's good because this is good. It's real good. So yeah, man. Anyway, on another note, the kids had like a Veterans Day thing today. So Allie went and had a like a little Veterans Day concert, which is pretty cool, man. You know, the whole school does like each grade does their own song, dedicating it to veterans and stuff, man. And I think that's the best. Thank you. I think it's the best, teaching the kids about the military and the heroism. So shout out to all veterans out there that watch our videos, man.
I kind of like the way her school done it when they let the Vietnam vets talk and how that when they came home, nobody was there to thank them.
Yeah.
I think that's a good thing, American history wise, for kids to know that the American people weren't always grateful.
And it's no fault to the soldiers that fought the war that they were told to fight.
Yeah. So yeah, man, I thought that was pretty cool, man. And I'll put it at the end, the song that Allie did, and man, it was hot out there, dude. And guys,
Blazing.
it was hot. When we first got there, it was nice, like there was cloud coverage and stuff, and it wasn't that bad. But right before everything kicked off, all the clouds went away. It was cooking. It was cooking, you know, we were out there sweating, man. But it turned out great, you know, it was like a little over an hour or whatever, so we were out there sweating for an hour, but, you know, it is what it is for a good cause, right? Veterans Day's on Monday. If you are a veteran, you know, look up your local area, see what, you know, places are giving stuff away, man. They give, you know, free lunches and breakfasts and stuff, man. Take advantage of it. Get out there and do it, so.
You deserve it.
Yeah, you guys definitely deserve it. You know, hats off to the veterans. Other than that, I think that's all I got. We don't have much going on this weekend. It's just gonna be quiet. Misha's going out tonight. She's leaving us.
You went out last night. Shut it.
I don't know. Maybe I did. Maybe I didn't. Nobody knows. Misha was already asleep. Just about, you know. I'm gonna be wide awake. She's gonna leave.
Wow.
So, but it's cool. Cool. She gets to go out, do her thing. Ladies' night, you know. They go and drink their White Claws and get a little tipsy. You know what I mean?
Don't have to drive. She can get tipsy if she wants.
Right, I don't have to drive, so.
True. Which is good. You shouldn't drive anyway.
You just gotta
Call
get
Uber.
up and be a mama tomorrow morning.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's enough to stay sober with.
Right?
Yeah.
Just a little tipsy. We don't want to get drunk.
So, anyway, guys, yeah, that's all we got for now. Thank you for checking out the channel. Remember, hit that subscribe button, man.
And we got some more coming for you.
Yeah.
We got some more content coming.
Yeah. We're gonna drop another video. Actually, that's probably what we're gonna do this weekend. Yeah. Drop another video. Another, it's like a challenge? It's not really a challenge. I don't know if you call it a challenge or not. But anyway, stay tuned for that. It's gonna be awesome, man. We've been waiting to do this one. We want to do it for a while. Because it only makes sense for us to do it. So, you'll see what it is. But yes, remember, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn post notifications on so you never miss a video. And make sure you comment down below, man. Let us know what you think of our videos, of everything, us as people. I think we're pretty cool. Just let us know, you know? We appreciate it. We really do. So, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well. Ooh, I'm gonna go back to eating this chicken sandwich. Fire. Crushing these fries, you know how we do. Again, want to thank you guys. Thank you for checking out the channel. Hope to see you guys soon. And anything? Anything? No? Cool. Peace. All right, found Allie. Yeah, all the way in the top corner. Yeah. Covering her eyes. She's like, get on with this, it's too hot. I can't zoom in any farther because it distorts it. Yeah, I don't know if it's the lighting or what. I don't know.